Popping in with a quick Trello update that they have, again, quietly rolled out recently. There's actually two, but one that I'm more excited than the other, so I will show you that one first. And I have a feeling, being that the Atlassian team event is coming up next week, that there will be more to announce and show you guys later in the month. So I will definitely do that when I see it. But there's a couple things to show you already right now. One for premium users and one that's for everybody. And the one that's for everybody is the one I'm most excited about. But before we dive into this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial or upload. All right, let's just look at this real quick. So the two things that they have kind of quietly rolled out, one is a change to one of the views here. So this is obviously a premium thing. If you are not on a premium account, even if you're in a standard workspace, you won't have access to these views. But they have added in this table view. Now they had kind of, I forget what they called. I think they called it grid before. They've had this type of view before. So I don't know yet exactly how different it is. I haven't had much time to play around in it yet to see what's different about it. I do see here, and this I do feel is a little bit different, the ability to interact with it a little bit more as opposed to just view it, like being able to make changes to specific things without having to open the whole card from here. So, yeah, I'm still kind of figuring all of that out. If you have already seen this and are using it and are noticing anything majorly different about it, let me know in the comments. But like I said, I mean, I'm more of a board girl in the first place. Part of the reason that I like Trello is because of the Kanban style. So I don't typically move it into that more spreadsheet view. That's not my preference. But what they have rolled out that I think is really cool is expanded checklists. So I'm hoping against hope, that this is the beginning of them recognizing the importance of checklists. There are a lot of things I've mentioned here on the channel before that checklists are just ignored in. They're just excluded. Things like if you are using advanced checklists and you're able to assign somebody to it or put a due date on it, you can't yet include those things in like dash card views or in workspace views and things like that. And so, yes, you can use it for assignments and you can use it to pop up reminder notifications. Very cool. But it's still left out of one of the major ways that people use it in, like, you can't use it for, I mean, the main one to me is like a dash card view, which I'm going to do a whole video on dash cards and like creating a board that is basically populated by dash cards, a way for you to, like a command center. So I'm going to be doing that coming up soon. So they're still kind of missing some of the benefits of advanced checklists that I'm really hoping this is a sign that they're going into that. But sorry, I digress. What they have done is added expanded checklists, which means instead of having to open the card and scroll down to the checklist in order to interact with it, you can now, if you hover over it, you can see it says expand checklist. So instead of just seeing on the front of the card the checklist and how many items are complete or incomplete, you can now click on it and see the checklist. So this is great for a lot of things. One, if you want to be able to actually see your checklists all the time, right? You can just have it opened so that when the card is closed, you can see the checklist, but you can interact with them too. So if I completed this first thing, I can just check it right here. And like, it just goes out of my view, right? So that I think is a huge, huge win. Such a small little thing, but like very impactful if you are using checklists in a big way in your workflow. One thing I haven't tested yet, and so we will actually look at it together for the first time. I'm going to go in here and assign myself and put a due date because I don't know if this stuff shows up when the card is closed. So let's find out together. I'm kind of thinking maybe, a little bit. Okay. So the assignment, no, but the due date, yes. That is really cool, guys. So I'm super excited about this. This can be a game changer for people who are really using checklists in a meaningful way in their workflow. So Had you noticed this yet? Did you hover and see that and check it out? Or is this the first time you're seeing it? And are you as excited as me? Let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope you liked it, and more importantly, I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, all the things to help grow this channel and make this community something that I can give even more of my time and attention to. And if you really liked this video, share it with somebody else that you think will find it helpful as well. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated and overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.